It started when I saw that Temu ad, you know the one, a video with people getting beds for what looked like the price of lunch. You think, how is that possible? Instantly, my sleep-deprived brain was hooked. Cheap, fast, and online. Online beds should be easy. But here's where everyone stumbles. The photos always look like high-end hotel mattresses. You can't feel it. You can't sit on it. It's all pixel promises. So, you play guesswork with something you'll spend 3,000 hours on each year. Clicking through Temu's listings, I found everything: velvet headboards, platforms, storage drawers. It's dizzying, but also slightly overwhelming. Hundreds of models, 47 shades of beige, and bed frames with names like Cloud Bliss Ultra. Spoiler, that's mostly branding. The most common concern I see? Quality. A $150 king bed that will ship from who knows where in 8 days. All my instincts said no, but my curiosity said, what if? Sometimes you buy for the story, not just the sleep. Vendor ratings are a minefield. Some sellers have 13 reviews, all 5 stars, posted in a single day. Others have cryptic 1-star complaints. Arrived as wood and metal sticks, billed at own risk. Pro tip, always click most recent to avoid the honeymoon reviews. If you do pull the trigger, double-check dimensions. Chinese sizing can be inconsistent. A queen might be somewhere between a twin XL and an American double. I've seen people order a bed for their studio and get something that fits a hamster. Shipping is the Temu wildcard. You might get it in 3 days, you might get it in 3 weeks. Tracking is sometimes real, sometimes theoretical. When it finally arrives, you are the warehouse crew and customer service all at once. Now comes the build. Pain point, confusing instructions. The manual looks like it was translated by someone who's never seen a real bed. Insert the square into the circle bolt. Use universal force. I'm not kidding. Set aside at least 2 hours. Parts are another drama. Some days you get a pro-level Allen wrench kit. Other days you're missing the crucial center beam, so you're sleeping slanted all month. My tip, inventory the entire box before starting, even if it kills your assembly momentum. The reality, the bed frame will wobble. Not always, but Temu beds aren't handcrafted in Vermont. If your main goal is supports a mattress until I move again, it works. If you want museum quality, well, that's a different budget entirely. To my surprise, once the frame was up, it did its job. Mostly. Nothing fancy. But at $189 delivered, it was 82% cheaper than my local mattress store. Does it creak if you breathe on it? Yes. But at 3 times less cost, you recalibrate expectations. Here's where you get the impact. You either brag about beating the system with your $180 Temu bed, or you coast through sleep dodging the odd rattle. For a guest room, college apartment, or even a short-term fix, Temu's trade-off makes sense. So buying a bed from Temu is a gamble, more exciting than it should be. If you're okay with the risk, enjoy the wild ride. But for a bed you'll use daily for years, sometimes pain-free sleep is worth paying for.